Why do some hill towns flood in an hour while plains barely notice? The short answer? Cloudbursts. These tiny storms dump enormous rain over a small area. Here's the science. Warm, moisture-laden air rises over hills, cools, and condenses into towering clouds. Strong updrafts hold the droplets until they suddenly release, dumping intense rain in minutes. On steep slopes, gravity turns this rain into fast-moving runoff. Narrow valleys act like funnels, concentrating the water into a sudden, powerful surge. Saturated soil, sparse vegetation, and blocked drains make things worse, channeling water into streets and making floods hit harder and faster. The result is a flash flood, a powerful wall of water arriving with little to no warning.